Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are here to discuss about a question called left and right sum differences. Question number 274, 2574 from lead code, not 274, my bad, 2574 from lead code. So let's see what is the question. We are given a zero-based index integer array nums of size n. Define two arrays left sum and right sum where left sum of I is the sum of left elements at the left index of I in the array. If there is no such, left sum is 0. Right sum is sum of elements to the right of the index I. Okay. And if it is not there, the right sum is 0. What we need to do? Return an integer array answer of size n, where answer of I equal to left sum minus right sum of the ith place. Okay. So let's take an example. Let's see what was the question is very clearly. Okay, so there is an array, guys. There is an array AR. Okay, now what we have to do is we have some values 2, 3, 5, 7, 6. Okay, indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can observe for every element, we will have some left element and right side elements, right? So if you take this particular value 5 and index 2, the left side elements are 2 and 3. Right side elements are 7 and 6. So what we need to find out for this particular value is left side elements sum minus right side elements sum. So if you take values like what was the sum of 2 plus 3? 5. What was the value of 7 plus 6? 13. Right. 13 minus 5. What was the absolute difference? 13 minus 5 is 8. This is what we need to put answer for this particular index 2 is answer is 8. Left sum minus right sum. This is what we need to do, guys. The simplest way to do this one is 2, 3, 6, 7, 4. Okay. The simplest way is go to this element. Okay. Calculate on the right side, see on the left side. You don't have anything. So 0. Right side, you calculate the sum. It will be 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. It will be 20, 20. 20 and 0, the difference is 20. So for this particular one, answer is 20. Calculate the same way for every element of this particular array. This is one way. And coming to do this in an optimal way, okay, there is some concept called as prefix sum and suffix sum, guys. Prefix sum and suffix sum. I hope you have listened this prefix and suffix words, right, in your childhood days and all. So prefix is nothing but before element. Before, basically prefix is before. Suffix is after, right? Before and after. So we will find out for each element what we need to have is prefix sum and suffix sum. This is what we need to have. Prefix before element sum, after element sum. How you do this is what the question is about. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay. So for this element, what are the prefix elements? 2 and 3. The left side elements are 2 and 3. And for this 5, element 5, for this element 5, what are the prefix? 2, 3, 4. If you observe the point, guys, 2 and 3 are already calculated for 4. The same 2 and 3 are used for 5 also. The same 2 and 3 are used for 5 also, where just 4 is added, right? Yes or no, if you observe. So okay, what is prefix sum of 4? 5. What is prefix sum of 5? 2 plus 3, 5 plus current previous value 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. This is what the prefix sum of your element 5. If you observe the pattern, this element's left side sum, the previous element left sum plus previous element. This 2 will give you left side element sum of value 5. Okay, let me do it again for you people. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we are calculating. This is an array. We are calculating left sum, left side element sum. How you will do? For this, do you have anything? No, 0. And for this, 2. Okay. Now, as we said, for element 5, what will be the prefix sum, guys, or left side element sum. 2 plus 3 plus 4, right? But what is the value for 4? 2 plus 3. Where we are showing it? 2 plus 3 is 5. We are storing it in an array. Left sum array is there, right? We are storing it. So now, if you want answer for value 5, index 3, if you want answer for index 3, okay, simply add these two values. Simply add these two values. This is previous element, and this is this element's left side element sum. Okay. 5's previous element is 4, which we want. And 4 element left side sum is stored here. Use this. Add 4 plus 5, 9. Same. Store it. If you do this manually, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. This is what you'll get. And for 6, what you will do? For 6, what you will do? For 6, add these two. 5, 9, 14. Okay. Previous element plus previous element plus previous elements left sum. Left sum. That's all, guys. This is what we need to do. So for if you want current element left sum, what you need to do? Previous element plus previous elements left sum. This is what our formula is. This is what we use. Okay, same thing applicable for your suffix sum also, like right sum also. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So instead of doing it from here, calculate from here. What is the right side of 7? 0. Right of 6? 7. Right of 5? It is 6 and 7. Right of 3? Right of 3, what is there on right of 3? 5, 6, 7, which means 6 and 7 already calculated and we'll keep it for 5. Okay, 6 and 7, 13. It is already calculated. Here itself you can check. 5 and 13, 18. And right of 2, don't calculate entirely. Don't calculate entirely, guys. Don't calculate it entirely. Just go to right side element, first element, 3. 3 plus this element's right side, 18. 3 plus 18, 21. This is your answer. 21 is your right side element sum. That's done. This is what we need to do, guys. I hope this is clear to everyone, right? So now let's code this one. So we need two arrays, int left sum equal to new int of nums dot length. Okay, what I will do is, let's not calculate nums dot length every time. Int n equal to, okay, and we need how many arrays? 3 arrays totally. Why? One is left sum, one is right sum, and one is answer. Okay, how we will calculate left sum? How we will calculate left sum, guys? How we will calculate left sum? How? Simple thing. You run a loop. Int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. Left sum of, obviously for first element, do you have anything? Left sum of 0 is 0 only. So no need to calculate for 0, start from 1. Left sum of I equal to previous element. What is the previous element? Nums of I minus 1. Plus, what is where? Okay, let me take it again for you people. This is nums array. 2, 3, 4. This is your left sum array. This is nums array. This is initially 0. Okay. Now you are calculating for 3. What you will take? You want nums array previous element, which is if you are at index 1, you want index 0 value, and you want the same index 0 from left sum array also, where it will have the left sum of previous value. Okay, are you getting my point, guys? We have values 2, 3, 4, 5. This is nums array. This is left sum array. For initially for 2 is 0. This is what we know. Now, when you are at 3, what will be the left sum? 2 plus this 0. 2 here. When you are at 4, 2 and 3 is your answer. But why you will calculate 2 and 3? You have 3. Its left side element is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. And when you are at 5, 4 is the one. 4 plus 5 you will do. 4 plus 5, 9. Why we are taking this 5 instead of 4, 2 and 3? 2 and 3 is already calculated and stored it here. Okay. Same thing we will do here too. left sum of I minus 1. That's all done. Same way, the same way what we will do is we will calculate right sum. So for right sum of n minus 1 equal to 0. And I will start from n minus 2, I greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. And here right sum of I equal to nums of I plus 1 and right sum of I plus 1. Same logic, cut, copy, paste, guys. Only difference, there we will start from first to last. Here we will start from last to first. That's all. And after this, what you have to do? After this, what you have to do? Calculate the answer. How will you calculate the answer? Int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Answer of I equal to what? Answer of I equal to what, guys? Absolute value of left sum of current value minus right sum of current value. That's all. And we will simply return answer. Answer of I is left sum minus right sum and its absolute value. That's all. Let's run this one. Let's see, do we have any mistakes? Yeah, yes, semicolon is missing here. I hope the approach is clear to you people, guys. Right? Very simple. It's not a big deal here. Calculating the left sum, calculating the right sum, and getting the answer. Okay. I hope the question is clear and the approach is clear to you people. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, see you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.